Bonjour, bonsoir, Kevin. This is a summary of what we did yesterday. À l'épicerie. This is a grocery store. A, L', because a grocery store starts with a vowel. Le client, l'épicier. Alors, il me faut du jambon, du comté, de la crème fraîche, des œufs, de l'eau. Bonjour, monsieur, je voudrais un morceau de comté, s'il vous plaît. Voilà, monsieur, et avec ceci, donnez-moi aussi un petit pot de crème fraîche et une douzaine d'œufs. Voilà, ce sera tout. Non, il me faut aussi 4 tranches de jambon, s'il vous plaît, et je vais prendre 2 bouteilles d'eau. I'm not gonna say that. So, il me faut, I need some ham, some comté, that's the name of a hard cheese, some crème fraîche and some eggs. Well, some eggs, some water. Hello, sir. I would like a piece of comté, please. Here you go, sir. And with this, give me also, so this is formal, a small container of crème fraîche and a dozen of eggs. Here you go. That would be all. No, I also need 4 slices of ham, please. And I'm going to take 2 bottles of water, mineral water. Okay. Il me faut, I need, it's not a literal translation. Je voudrais, I would like. Donnez-moi, formal, give me. And je vais prendre, I'm going to take, I'll have. Indefinite quantities, we call them the partitives. Du jambon, du fromage, masculine, some. De la confiture, de la crème, féminine, some. De l'eau, de l'huile, some water, some oil. It's some, but when we start with a vowel on H. Des biscuits, cookies, des épinards, spinach, plural form of some. Des produits de base. Le riz, so we can turn that into du, because it's masculine. Les pâtes, des pâtes. La farine, de la farine, okay, etc. De l'huile, etc. Le riz, rice. Les pâtes, pasta. Le sucre, sugar. La farine, flour. La confiture, jam. Le miel, honey. Les conserves, cans. La sauce tomate, tomato sauce. La mayonnaise, mayo, mayonnaise. L'huile, oil. Le vinaigre, vinegar. Le sel, salt. Le poivre, black pepper. Black pepper. L'eau minérale, mineral water. Le vin, wine. La bière, beer. Des produits frais, fresh. Le jambon, ham. Le fromage, cheese. Le lait, milk. Le beurre, butter. Les yaourts, yogurt. La crème fraîche, c'est féminine. Les œufs, eggs. Les fruits, fruits. Les légumes, vegetables, etc. La viande, meat, féminine. Le porc, pork, pig. Le bœuf, beef. L'agneau, lamb. Or sheep. Man or lamb here. Le veau, veal. Le poulet, chicken. Le saumon, le poisson is fish. Le saumon, salmon. La truite, trout. Le thon, tuna. So we have 4 expressions to ask for something. Je voudrais un paquet de biscuits, un pot de crème. Il me faut un morceau de fromage, une tranche de jambon. Donnez-moi. So tired tonight. And it's 10, but I still have a lot of work to finish, but trying to stay awake. Donnez-moi is more like give me, but it's formal. Okay. Un tube de mayonnaise is a tube of mayo. Very common tubes in France and in Europe, in Switzerland as well. Je vais prendre, I'm gonna take, I'll have. Une bouteille d'huile. We distinguish mineral water, flat, without gas, Evian, Volvic, from the sparkling water, Perrier, Badois, etc. You've got to do everything here. You're on your own. Try to see if you can come up with the right answers. If you make mistakes, don't worry. That's just a point we're going to have to repeat. That's it. So now, okay. Conjugaison. We know the ion verbs can be parler. Se dépêcher, to hurry, we saw that. Oublier, to forget. Continuer, to keep going, to continue. Jouer, to play. Créer, to create. This one, the pain with a double E. Gagner, to earn, to make. Travailler, to work. Commencer, to begin, to start. Manger, to eat. This one's gonna have the CCD here. And we keep the E with nous mangeons. Payer can be two forms. With a Y, we keep the Y everywhere, or we just have I, Y. Je paye, tu payes, il paye, nous payons, vous payez, il paye. So in the same family, we can have essayer, to try, effrayer, to scare, and balayer, to sweep. Appeler, we're going to do that all the time, because we double the consonant here. Employer is to employ. So we have the I, Y. S'ennuyer, to get bored, to be bored. Je m'ennuie, tu t'ennuies, il s'ennuie. Nous nous ennuyons. Vous vous ennuyez, il s'ennuie, elle s'ennuie. J'emploie, tu emploies, il emploie. Nous employons, vous employez, ils emploient. Se promener is to take a walk. Se lever. Lever is to raise. Se lever is to get up. Acheter, to buy. Peser, to weigh. Semer. Congeler. We don't need this, guys. For the time being. If you come back to the transcript, you're gonna see that I separated everything. So, quel jour sommes-nous? Nous sommes le mercredi 1er avril. 1er avril. Quelle heure est-il? Il est 20h, 8h du soir. Comment vas-tu? Je vais bien, ça va bien, ça va. Sentir is like to smell or to feel. So we can say, je sens les roses, I smell the roses. Je me sens bien, I feel good. Comment tu te sens? Comment te sens-tu? How do you feel? Comment vous sentez-vous? How do you feel? Form or form. Quel temps fait-il? Il fait chaud. Il y a beaucoup de soleil. Il y a beaucoup de soleil. Like there is a lot of sun. Est-ce qu'il fait très chaud? Is it very hot? Ça commence à être chaud. It's like it begins to be hot. Il fait froid, it's cold. Il fait froid, it's cold. So payer, we saw that. Two options. Je viens de payer mes factures, just pay my bills. Je viens de la maison, I just come from the house, I just come from the house. Okay. Nettoyer is to clean. Je nettoie, tu nettoies, il nettoie, nous nettoyons, vous nettoyez, il nettoie. Hein, it's on the book. Je nettoie mon ordinateur, ma bicyclette, mon vélo, ma voiture. Essayer, effrayer, balayer. So you have to use the book at the same time, hein, so that way you can see all the different families. Like, I say employer, I know in this group I have envoyer, to send. Se noyer is to drown. Nettoyer is to clean. S'ennuyer, to get bored, to be bored. Essuyer is to wipe. Appuyer is to press down. Okay, so you have to take a look at the book first. Employer, s'ennuyer. Je m'ennuie, tu t'ennuies, il s'ennuie. J'emploie, tu emploies, il emploie, nous employons. Okay. So, rez-de-chaussée is the first floor. Premier étage is the second floor. So when we enter a house in France, it's not the first floor. It's what we call le rez-de-chaussée, and it's masculine. When you go up, it's already the second floor in America. In France, is le premier étage. Deuxième étage is third floor for you guys. You can check images of the French bakeries and be like, oh, I'd like to order this, to buy that, but I don't know the name. We can say, excusez-moi, mais qu'est-ce que c'est? Excuse me, but what is it? Pouvez-vous répéter, parler plus lentement? Could you say, can you repeat or speak more slowly, s'il vous plaît? Bonjour madame, je voudrais un croissant, 2 croissants, de l'eau minérale. If you want to buy cheese, you can say, je voudrais un morceau. You stay vague enough. Un morceau de fromage. So they can show you and tell you un peu plus gros, a bit bigger. Un peu plus petit, un peu plus petit. a bit smaller. Prendre is to take, very common verb. Je prends, tu prends, il prend, nous prenons, vous prenez, ils prennent. I take, you take, etc. Je prends du fromage, je prends de l'eau, etc. You're going to do the exercises, page 15 of the book, e-book Communication progressive du français. Okay, enough for today. You have an excellent week, end of week, and I'll talk to you, well, whenever you can next week. Au revoir, Kevin. À bientôt.